Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings. As you can see, everything is in English right now. Then select language and input, go to the language tab, and here you can come along with whole list of languages and you can apply the one that you would like to have your device in. Let me choose, for example, Portuguese. And now, as you can see, everything has been immediately changed, so all the device is in Portuguese, the icons, settings, everything. So if you would like to go back to English or if you would like to change the language one more time, smoothly open the settings one more time, locate and open languages and input, pick languages and go back to English or pick some other language, so it's up to you whichever you would like to apply. And as you can see, that's it. Now we are back in English. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.